Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, today we're going to see an interesting continental style meal recipe, and it's grilled paneer steak with rice bowl, which turns out so very amazing, bursting with well balanced flavors that you should definitely try this out once for yourself. So let's get started with this delicious and healthy complete meal recipe. So first we'll make the marination sauce. For that we'll take a plate and into it we will add some salt as per taste. Next goes around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, some smoked paprika, around half a teaspoon of peri masala, and around a teaspoon of olive oil. Now we need to mix this well until all the spices are well combined and our marination sauce is ready. Into this we will add 2 paneer or cottage cheese steaks, roughly 100 gram each, and we will coat the marination sauce well from both the sides of the paneer steaks, and we will let them rest for about 15-20 minutes. Now for the creamy vegetable sauce you will need lots of colorful veggies. I have included here some broccoli cut into small florets like this, some sliced baby corns, some diced carrots, some chopped beans, and some chopped red, green and yellow bell peppers. And now let's start with the cooking process. First we shall make the herb rice. For that we'll heat some butter in a pan. We'll spread the butter on all the sides of the pan, and as the butter melts we will add some minced garlic. I have used here 2 large garlic pods. And now on medium flame we will saute the garlic until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. Into this we will add the steamed rice. We'll stir and mix the rice until they are well incorporated with the flavors of butter and garlic. We'll now quickly season the rice with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a pinch of chili flakes. We'll mix the herbs and seasonings well with the rice. And just before turning off the flame we will add some chopped parsley. If you don't have parsley you can add cilantro also. This will give a fresh flavor to the herb rice. We'll mix this once and our garlic and herb rice is ready. We'll keep this aside, and now we shall make the creamy vegetable sauce. For that we'll heat a teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter, and as the butter melts we will add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic and some chopped onions. We'll saute the onions and garlic until the color slightly changes. And now let's add the veggies one by one. Here goes the broccoli florets, followed by the chopped French beans, sliced baby corns and the diced carrots. We'll not add the bell peppers now. On medium flame we'll saute the veggies for a minute or so. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. Let's mix the seasonings well. And now we will cover and let the veggies cook on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will stir the veggies once. They are almost cooked now. At this stage we will add the red, green and yellow bell peppers. We'll stir the bell peppers for a few seconds. And now into this we will add some milk, say around 200 ml. And this is pizza pasta sauce. We'll be adding around a tablespoon of it. If you don't have this sauce you can add tomato ketchup also. Now let's mix this sauce until it's well combined with the milk. Next into this we will add half a teaspoon of mixed herbs and a pinch of chili flakes. Now let's mix this well. And to make our sauce creamy and cheesy, I'm going to add a cheese slice. And now I'm going to cover and cook this on medium flame for about 2 minutes or until the cheese melts. After about 2 minutes, we will remove the lid and you can see the cheese has started to melt. We'll mix this well so that the cheese blends well with the sauce. And we will let them simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And by now our creamy and cheesy vegetable sauce is also ready. We'll turn off the flame and now time to grill the paneer steaks. For that we'll grease a grill pan with some melted butter or olive oil. And when the grill pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated paneer steaks or cottage cheese. Keeping the flame on medium, we will cook them until they are well browned and perfectly grilled from both the sides. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we will gently flip the paneer or cottage cheese steaks and we'll cook them another 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. In between, we will brush the paneer steaks with some melted butter so that they don't dry out in the grilling process. And by now the paneer steaks are done, grilled well from both the sides, so we'll take them off and now let's start with the plating. In the center of the serving plate, we will place the herb rice and now let's pour the creamy and cheesy vegetable sauce along the sides of the plate. And on top of the herb rice goes the grilled paneer steaks. And here is our delicious grilled paneer steak rice bowl. So friends, I hope you will try this complete meal recipe. Also share your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.